Hi guys, welcome to Vries Down Under. On this episode, we have some downtime after dropping our caravan off to get fixed. So we head over to the glowworm caves at the Tambourine Mountains. And then we make our way over to the skywalk.
What's the matter, Lil?
Oh, my head.
It's not even that bad. Say hi.
So one standout section is the bridge that is around 40 metres long and it soars about 30 metres above the rainforest floor.
It's good fun jumping on here, but I sure scared Mum.
And now we're off for another little adventure to Movie World. Oh, what are we doing? What are we doing? Now it's time to hit the pools and then off to the beach to try and go for a fish.
It's too many for anything. Coming down for a fish, but I don't think we can even do that.
Can you hear me? It's a bit windy.
Watch out!
We are finally on the way to go pick our caravan back up. We're so excited.
Been too long.
It's been too long without this caravan, mate. We need it back. Although we had lots of fun looking around and sightseeing in Queensland, there's nothing better than receiving our caravan back. A big thanks to Shane and the team for fixing it and getting us on our way so we can start exploring again. She's on the bridge. Will she get through it? Easy peasy. Where are we going, guys? We're going to the dam. So where are we?
Lake Leslie in Warwick, in Queensland.
We're staying at a beautiful little campsite. And how much did it cost?
It was $54 for 2 adults, 2 children, unpowered. So a little bit expensive. Nice little spot though.
But worth it. Super cute. Had some kangaroos before.
Yeah.
Obviously the beautiful lake behind us. Nice little sunset coming in. Chaos in the kitchen. Here we go. What are you cooking tonight, Lily Pad?
Pasta with lamb.
Yeah. That lamb looks pretty good.
That looks yum.
Smells delicious.
The blight right now.
It looks so good, hey?
Yes.
And while we sit down and eat our meal, we get to view the most stunning sunset. Morning guys, it's the next morning. We are currently making some bacon and eggs and getting ready to decide where we're going to go today. This is what it's really like in the car with kids. It's the final countdown.
Can someone help me?
So we've just arrived to a Lightning Ridge caravan park. So lovely here.
We're at Lightning Ridge, baby. Gonna find some opals. So, can you tell us some history about Lightning Ridge, Rhea?
Yes, Lightning Ridge. Fun fact. Lightning Ridge was actually, well, there's a folklore about Lightning Ridge that it was named Lightning Ridge because lightning came down and struck a farmer and his dog and some sheep, and so that's why they called it Lightning Ridge.
What's the real reason?
That is the real reason.
Because there's lots of lightning up here in this
Yeah,
atmosphere.
the atmosphere is quite electric up here, as
Oh,
you say.
very electric. Oh, well, we're gonna cook some dinner and hopefully go looking for some opal tomorrow.
Yep.
Is this what opals are, Mum?
Go on then.
My little lad?
Yeah.
People be digging, aren't they? Mum, see?
Yeah, people have been digging. Yep. We'll have... Oh, look at the front coops. Oh, be careful.
Why?
Look at that big hole.
People chuck rubbish in there.
Yeah.
That's a rubbish bin in the olden days. Isn't it, Mum? The rubbish bin
I think it was a well, to be honest, to clean the rocks. I think the water went down there. But look at this. Cooper, you can go on that.
How did this get abandoned? Mum,
I'm not sure.
what, is this haunted?
No, it's not haunted.
Here, come.
Come on, you'll be fine.
Oh, it got shot.
Oh, it's got some bullet wounds, doesn't it?
Yeah, got shot.
How is it, mate?
I know I'm built different.
What are you doing there, worker Cooper? So cool.
There's stuff in here that used to work.
Yeah.
Mum.
You'll be right. Climb through. There's a pillow there so you don't hurt your feet.
No, I'd almost done it and gone on top of the road.
Is this place cool?
Yes.
You love it?
Yeah, but those are wasps.
Yeah. And there's prickles here as well, isn't there?
Yes, so I hate it. Kind of.
You don't.
What are you doing?
She's trying to get butterflies.
Yep.
The girls are in the kitchen. Lily is chopping mushrooms. We've got some onion, some bacon. So I just got told off for breaking the pasta in two. I don't know, do you guys do that? It's easier to go into the bowl if you break it. Who else is a breaker out there? Let me know.
Dear Lord, thanks for the roof over our head, clothes on our back, food in our mouth. Amen.
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 Hey?
Is that good?
You gonna get
Yes. Morning guys, so we are currently in Lightning Ridge and we are on the way to go into a walking mine looking for opals. We're so excited.
You're so excited.
You excited kids?
Yes.
What's that, Cooper?
They put it up and tip it down to the edge and then put it back down in the mines.
Yeah.
So this is what that is. $5,000. 5,000. But there's so much money.
Oh, is that a bit big?
Yeah.
Or is that good?
To tighten it a little bit.
Just turn the bottom back.
Yep. Leave it on.
I'll pop that one on. And tighten them up for you.
My heart's shaking.
Why?
Could we not dig that in?
Woohoo! Here we
I
go.
don't want to do this anymore. Same. Stuff.
What's this? Make your way carefully down the stairs. The walk in the mine was established in 1964.
I'm looking at the stairs.
How cool is this? How much cooler is it? Oh, it's so much cooler in here.
And it's so much cold.
Where are we going?
Oh.
This is cool, eh?
This
Whoa!
is freaking awesome.
Sick. What's that? Mum, I see something blue in this book. Something blue in there.
No, it's just on top. Come back up here, I wanna.
Okay.
How cool is that?
I'm looking.
It is so super cool under here. Like, it's actually so... The degrees has dropped, what, at least 10?
At least 10.
10 to 15 degrees coming down here. These are the types of opal.
nuts.
Oh, I like the crystal opal, I think.
No, black opal.
The black opal.
Some opal.
What?
I'm trying to find some opal.
Oh yeah? Found any yet?
And because it has to be repacked. Them in there.
Look at that. It's going to be my cup.
No, it ain't. That's mine.
So after we viewed the underground caves, we met up with a couple of the locals in Lightning Ridge, and they took us around and told us all the stories about Lightning Ridge and all the opal sites.
So the story is that a man was abducted by aliens and they showed him where $8 million worth of opal was. And he told everyone, and 8 years later, someone decided to go with him and dig up the opal, and they found $5 million worth, allegedly.
That's massive.
Come here. I gotcha. I gotcha. Look, lean. I gotcha.
Oh my gosh. Actually, let's get this right out.
We should have brought the thing.
I don't know if I want to let Storm out here.
That is a big drop. So we are just out at another stop. I think it's called 6 Mile, and we are looking for opals. We have met a really awesome couple that are local to this area, and they're actually taking us on a tour out here. And yeah, we're just digging for opals. So stay tuned and hopefully we find something.
I'm finding a single opal yet.
That's alright, should we go to another spot, see if we can
Yes.
find better? So that, if it's sinking in, it means
That's
that there's a
starting to
hole underneath.
There's a hole underneath and they've just dumped dirt on top.
Wow.
They haven't backfilled,
Okay.
which means if that could be a big gaping hole underneath there, you put a bit of pressure, you go down 50 foot
50 foot.
or deeper.
Wow. Alright, Coops, maybe stay off this one, love. Just so this one here is petrified wood. Yeah, you wouldn't want to prick yourself with that. So, I'm just going to relay what you guys said. So, back in the day, the red and black opal, people thought that that was worthless because they just wanted the blue, the green and the purple. Is that right? So we are hopefully lucky enough to find some red on black. Yep. Oh, did you find some, Beach? Woo! He found his first one. Show us what you got.
Watch everywhere, look.
Bloody pot.
Mate,
Purple in that.
that's cool.
Yeah. But
There you go. Can you fill it back up?
Yeah. So this footage shows you how many open pits there are and how many people have tried their luck trying to find opal. After a long day of opal hunting, we got to go and polish them up to see what we've got. And as this is our last day in the opal fields, we head over to Caravan to check out the pubs and see if we can find any opal. What? What'd you say?
Nothing.
Lily said people probably been sniffing them. Look at this.
yeah, you gonna put your bra on, right?
No, I've got my good one on today. Spewing, I should have brought one. Look at this little bra tree.
Most disgusting thing I've seen in my life. And they're all on the floor too, and shoes are.
This is what we found so far.
We're tired of looking for opals now, and we're going to have a nice warm ball bath to end the day.
How is it? Is it warm?
But when you get really in, it's so good.
Is it? Just don't put your head under.
I'm not. That's why I'm staying on the stairs.
So we're currently at Lightning Ridge Bore Baths, and it is a heated pool that fills up every day, and it's the warm springs from the Lightning Ridge area. It's super cool. So it's said that the water is above 40 degrees, so it's going to be warm. Nice and warm.
Is the middle tea?
Oh, he's going to come.
Dad! 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 Can I swim to you? Like, not underwater. It's like, I am on the rails because I don't want to sink. Look at me, it's so nice now. Oh, that's so nice, isn't it?
It's so nice in here.
Do you have your bra on?
I've got my
Can't believe how hot it is.
so warm.
I can't feel my feet.
How is it, Lil?
It's like an oven.
It's beautiful. It's like a big bath. The baths are filled with hot spring water sourced from the Great Artesian Basin.
That's it for us, guys. Catch us on our next adventures. Just please like and subscribe.